Tracking a gorgeous afternoon to end our work week as most of us will make it into the mid-80s today with lower humidity. It's going to be a nice evening too. Going to be great to get outside after work. We're going to see temperatures falling into the upper 70s by sunset, so we're in for a nice one at the State Fair. Kicked off last night, will continue all through this weekend and next week. This evening by 7 o'clock we're down to about 84 in Sedalia. Great evening as we'll continue to have lower humidity and clear skies getting into the upper 70s by 9 o'clock tonight. However, the weekend is going to be hotter, so hopefully you can find a pool this weekend. I'm tracking highs in the 90s. It's going to feel like the upper 90s on both days with a little more humidity. But next week we're tracking a major pattern change that'll bring in some cooler temperatures. On Monday we're back down into the mid-80s with some rain on the way. I'm tracking another disturbance to our north. This warm front that's lifting through the area is eventually going to shift our winds to the southwest by tomorrow. Behind that I'll be tracking some warmer temperatures, but the rain for the weekend stays off to our north and east. Here's how it all pans out. By tonight you'll notice all of that energy where those showers and storms are is just off to our east. As high pressure off to our west starts to build back in for the weekend, that means temperatures are going to start warming up, especially Saturday into Sunday. We'll be tracking some better chances for rain though as this starts to break down and retreat to the west. That energy gets a little bit closer to us for the start of the week, and that means we will have better chances for some rain at least Monday through Wednesday. Here's how it all plays out on Future Track. We have a dry weekend ahead. I'm tracking plenty of sunshine tomorrow. A couple of more clouds as we head towards Saturday night and Sunday. I'll be tracking a weak front that moves through. That's really just going to increase our clouds. I'm not expecting much rain from it, but it's going to cool us down into early next week. Showers and storms eventually meet up with that front going into Monday with better chances of rain Monday night into Tuesday. We'll have repeated rounds of showers and storms each afternoon through Wednesday, but once we get to Wednesday night, a lot of this clears out of the area as high pressure starts to build back in, but we'll be tracking some cooler temperatures all through the week. I am expecting anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rain through at least Monday through Wednesday across a lot of mid-Missouri, and it'll be in areas that do need it after continued severe drought in those locations. Also tracking below average temperatures if you like this week. It's going to be even cooler for a few days next week, especially towards the end across a lot of the country. The darker blue color indicating a better chance of below average temperatures, and a lot of that across our area. Here's what our Future Track looks like the next several days, next 7-day forecast. We're tracking a big weekend warm up as we're back into the 90s with higher humidity, but it only lasts for 2 days. Next week as our pattern starts to shift, we'll have increasing rain chances Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Once that clears out, we're going to see highs in the low to mid-80s, and we'll have some nice nights ahead too, especially by Wednesday night as we drop down back below 65.